In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just tap on this gear one and use voice typing section to enable voice typing option. Now, in the same section of your settings, you can also enable those two options: faster voice typing and emojis on toolbar. Decide if you want to manage all of those whenever you want to. Let's go back to the basics though. Tap on microphone, hit while using the app, and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. Now, if you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone, like that. But my favorite feature is that you can tap on your microphone and then select tiny icon called Minimalize on the left. Then hit next, select the done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold this section here and drag it. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To add emojis, if you enabled, you can always do that in the future, emojis on toolbar, you can tap on smiley face here. Add your emojis and close emoji keyboard thanks to this X at the top left corner. Now, you can also tap on those three lines on the left to check out all of those options and manage them however you want to. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!